Hello friend. So how are you? I hope you will be good. So today again I have come with a new video. How to make circle ball using Python coding. How to make circle ball from Python coding. I am Amarjeet. Now you are watching expert coding. So I tell you how to make circle ball from Python coding. Do you want to know? Then watch full video. Don't skip video. So let's go. Our desktop screen. Come our desktop screen and open your PyCharm. Open your pie chart and make create a class. I already create a class circle ball.python, and now write now write code, our code. So from turtle import, and hit enter. Again import color source. Okay. Import color source and background, next background color. Background color I give here black. I give black and hit enter. Again here tracer 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 I give 200 and hit enter. Definition. So definition draw. Draw null. So draw null, nothing put it there and hit enter. So h is equal to 0 and n is equal to put it 200 and hit enter. 200 and hit enter. Now here using for loop. For I in range. For I in range 2 comma here 2900. Here put it 2900 and hit enter. So then C is equal to color share and HSB 2 RGB and here H comma 1 comma 1 and hit enter. Here H plus is equal to 1 by N 1 by N and hit enter. So next up null have not put it anything. So next go to I give 0 comma 0. Okay. Next next down down and hit enter. Then color color put it C and hit enter. Next pen size 7, not more than much more. So here FD FD I give FD7. I give FD7. Next RT I give 1 and LT I give 19 and hit enter. Next circle. How much size of circle? You give how much size of circle? I give 100. Not much more. A small size. Football, like football. And hit enter. And here draw draw and done. Next done. So friend, my program is successfully completed. Only 21 22 line program. Next now going to run our program. Next run. So you can see looking is so beautiful. You can watch. So you can make easily this type football type and color ball football type. So figure design you can make easily. So I hope you are understood this figure and this program. So If you like the video, then like, share, and subscribe the channel. If you have any problem, any doubt, you can say in my comment box. So thank you friends for watching this video.